वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाव टू मेक गोवन फिलॉस, which is Goan banana pancake, but the Goan word is Filos. Okay, so what you need, very few ingredients. I am taking this 2 bananas, LG, 1 cup of refined wheat flour, salt to taste, that's it. Little bit ghee of frying. No sugar, no jaggery, just with the bananas. First of all, we will mash this bananas. Now we'll add salt to this, salt to taste. Add our flour to this, and we need water. So let's mix this nicely first, and we'll add our water slowly by slowly. So mix this smoothly. So 1 cup, we have 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water. I'm just taking this so there is no lumps, and add little bit of So these measurement cups are easily available on Amazon. So now for those who want to add sugar, those who want to add jaggery, you are free to add jaggery and all. So it's like 1/3/4 cup of water is gone into this. So now this is ready to fry. So whatever pan you have to fry, and we will grease some ghee to this, or you can do oil also. And some I will make in this also. Like this you get medium flame and we'll put this. So how big, how small, it's up to you. Cover this. So we'll flip-flop this. And it's done. Very simple, right? So now we'll remove this. So I have not added baking soda, or no, I have added anything. But you are free to add baking soda if you want to add. So we'll do the second. Make a small one. So now this also is ready. Second one. So I will continue to do like this only. Now I will show you. If you don't have a smaller one, you can do it in a bigger pan. But if you don't have this also, and you have something like this, I think so many of them have this. So you can do it in this also. So what you have to do is put oil or ghee, brush it nicely. And then you add in this. Cover this and cook. So we'll check this in between. So now we'll turn this. We'll cover this and cook. So this is also done. Both the sides you can see. Okay, so like this only you continue and do the other ones. Like in 1 cup of batter you can make lots actually, and enjoy this. So hope you all will enjoy this all and make it in your home. Okay, so here is our Goan Filos ready without sugar, but yes, you can glaze it with some honey if you want. This is only optional, and this is without sugar, without egg, without baking soda. Try and make this and enjoy. And also it is made out of refined wheat flour. So no need of jaggery also, no need of sugar also, only the sweetness of banana, and you can glaze it in honey. Thank you so much. Dev bare karu. Goan Filos is ready here to have it tea time, evening tea time. गोवन फिलॉस तयार आसा. पळोवन घेयात कित्याक हितून साखर ना, ना गोड ना, ना बेकिंग सोडा पूण ना. एन्जॉय. थँक यू.